Glammies? It's your girl Morgan, aka More Smush, and welcome back to All the More Glam TV. I am giving y'all very much everything y'all I feel like y'all need to have with these straight backs. Like, I've enjoyed this hairstyle so much, and I think I'm going to get it done again. And what's really kept me happy and loving this hairstyle is how I've been able to maintain this bomb as a baby hair wherever I'm at, y'all. People slide in my DMs, people stop me when I'm out and asking me how I'm keeping up with my baby hair. So your girl decided to do a video, because what else, how else would I show y'all? I could tell you, but I'm gonna show you, because can we, y'all see it? So if you want to see how I did my little swoop-de-doop, keep watching. Okay, Glammy, so let's hop right into it. I am going in with my Edge Effect Edge Control. I got this from my local beauty supply store for $4.19 exactly. And I got my Edge Control brush for 99 cents. And first thing I'm doing is combing out my edges before I go in with my Edge Effect Edge Control and apply it all the way around my perimeter. I like to apply a generous amount because I like my edges to last me overnight. If I'm going out for a long period of time and I might get hot, I want them to be laid and slayed. So as you can see, I'm kind of finessing and massaging my baby hairs in the direction that I need them to go, and I am taking my time because it is an attention to detail type task, you guys. The little hairs, the direction, just everything, it can get very tedious, and thank God for that little steel end, which is what I prefer in my baby hair combs. It just makes it easier to get and pick out and specify and direct those little hairs. So comb and swoop, ladies, comb and swoop. Like, I'm using my finger as well as the brush because y'all already know them fingers get in there and do what they need to do just as well as any other utensil that we purchase, okay? Period. It doesn't really matter which direction you go with your baby hair. I just wanted to do something and have been really enjoying this super dramatic look. So I'm using a little bit more product to make sure that all those fine hairs have assistance in laying down like how I need them to lay down, child. Because they gonna lay. They gonna lay. This little brush with the steel end has made my baby hair swoop, swirl, slay life so much easier. Like, I can't even make this up, y'all. I'm never using nothing else again. And the Edge Effect Edge Control as well. When I do my baby hair, like I said before, I don't have to do it like every day. I might have to just touch up my little swirls because they are a bit dramatic, but whatever. But I never have to do them completely over again because they hold, they stay. I put my satin bonnet on or my satin scarf, tie it down, and we're good to go the next day. And that's saves me so much time because I do not always have the time, the patience, or the energy to slay my baby hair. So when I'm feeling compelled or when I know I need to do a little quick touch up, I will do that, tie it down, and be ready to rock out the next day. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen, the completed project. Now, I will add this disclaimer after I do a full face. If necessary, I will go back in and touch up my baby hairs because, you know, during application, things can get a little, you know, but I did a little touch up. But other than that, y'all saw the full thing. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys next time.